the goals that the Pirates ever scored, I think this was the easiest goal. Ball on the right, rotate the ball. It comes to the left. First touch, yakabhodlela ikho mnandi, okay, sharp. Simple, it was easy. I'll tell you why it was easy. Because ball watching, from the first minute, I said awareness, Bafethu. If you remember from the first minute, mangikhuluma ngikhulume ngokuthi these players are not aware. No awareness whatsoever. Remember there were two players here. There's two Pirates players la. There's two. One drops. Now let's just focus here. You cannot play Bafethu. When you are a defender, you have to you have to stand like this. You can see the ball, you can see Nanga. You're always looking this side, you're always looking this side. You cannot be facing so. You don't know what's happening. Suga. Look at this guy. Eh? Ufuna ukufela la or ufuna ukufela ngapha? Ufumela ukhetha la. Mfana kithi. Rasta.